Red Bull, yes, the energy drink company is letting you do a real sales, data analysis, and key account job simulation for free. There will be no fees, no interview, and at the end, you will get a certificate you can put straight on your resume and LinkedIn. And friend, in the next few minutes, I will show you exactly what this simulation is, what you will learn, and how to you can start it today. Even if you never worked in the sales or you have never done the data analysis, stay till then because I will also break down sales skills in today's knowledge corner that recruiters actually look for. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the Forest who is providing this Red Bull on-premise sales simulations, or you can say the internships. So, friend, if you don't know about the on-premise means just a place where drinks are sold and consumed on the spot. You can think like bars, restaurant, hotel, clubs. Red Bull has a whole sales team that manages their accounts, and this simulation lets you step into this role virtually. And friend, it is not a real job. It is a simulation, it means simulation, friend, just means that Red Bull built a realistic task based on what their actually sales specialists do every day. You complete this task using pre-recorded videos and examples, answers from real Red Bull employees at your own pace. There will be no live classes, there will be no deadline, so you can complete it according to your requirement. The typical hours requires, you can see here, 1 to 2 hours, and it is a self-paced. So what you will exactly do here, let's first understand that. So you can see here you will learn how to perform account data analysis, how to communicate key trends, insights, and how to close sales. So all these valuable skills you will learn here, and you will get the this type of certificate once you complete the all task, and you can directly add it in your resume, in your LinkedIn profile also. So friend, let's break down the task so you know exactly what you are going to do. So you can see here there will be the two tasks are given, task 1 and task 2. So let's first understand about the task 1. So task 1 is the account data analysis, and you will meet Natalie Holman, who is the real supervisor on Red Bull's on-premise sales teams, and who shares her experience according to their whatever they are going to perform, and then you will get a real account data, and your job is to you can see here that you have to construct a chart in Excel. You can see here, so you have to build charts in a Microsoft Excel to see how different accounts are performing, and you have to create a PowerPoint presentations explaining your findings, basically telling a story with your data. So you have to do all this task here, and friend, this is a huge because excellent PowerPoint skills are asked for in every almost entry level job posting. So no matter the field, you have to understand the Microsoft Excel and the PowerPoint presentation. So let's talk about the task 2. So in the task 2, you can see here what you have to do. You can see sharpening the same skills, spotting trends, communicating insights clearly, and understanding what actually drives sales performance in real accounts. And friend, now here is the part most people skip, and it is the reason recruiters actually notice this on a resume. I will explain that right after this. So friend, if you're not subscribed our channel Info Rosanate, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship opportunity and technology related videos. So please subscribe Info Rosan. So friend, I want to give one important information that here is the truth. A certificate alone doesn't get you hired. What gets you hired is being able to talk about in an interview. These simulations give three real things. You can see the three thing. You will get the you can say certificates, and which you can add in your LinkedIn and your resume. And a resume snippet means literally pre-written lines you can copy and adapt. And interview tips, simple answers to explain why you are a good fit. So when an interviewer asks, do you have any sales or data analysis experience? You are not saying no. You are saying yes. I completed Red Bull's official job simulation on the forest. and where I analyzed account performance and built a client facing presentation. That is a real specific answer and it stands out. So friend, how you will do this job simulation? So I will have provided the link in the video description box, and once you open to that link, then you will come to this page here. Here you have to simply click on start free simulations, and once you click, then you will be redirected to this page here. You have to enter your email ID, and then you have to provide some details like first name, last name. You have to create one password, date of birth, university, and all these things you have to fill. And once your ID is created, then you can directly log in. If you have already registered on the forest, then you can directly provide your email and you can register and get the certificates. So friend, as I have told earlier, means I have promised today's knowledge corner. So let's talk about objection handling, because you can see here, I will just so you can see here what you will in objection handling. So I will explain it in short. So, so objection handling simply means when someone says no or raise a concern, you don't argue. You listen, understand why they are hesitant, and offer a solution that fits their concern. So I will explain you with a simple example. For example, if a bar owner says your product is too expensive, a good sales person doesn't just repeat, but it's good quality. Instead, they ask why it feels expensive. Maybe it about how it is stocked or the profit margin per bottle, and then address that specific worry. This same skills applies when a recruiter says you don't have enough experience. Instead of getting a defensive, you listen to the real concern and then explain how a simulation like this one directly address that gap. That is the value of doing simulation like this. They don't just teach you the technical skills, they teach you how professional things. So friend, overall you will get the very good knowledge here, and if you like the video, please subscribe Info Roshan. Thank you.